Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnix. Today we are going to learn a topic which looks very simple but it takes longer time to solve the calculation. The topic is divisibility. So today, before going to the topics, I just want to teach you. Can you solve these questions quickly? The question is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you solve this by 3, 7, 9? Can you check it without using a long division? If you got it, please type your answer yes or no in the comment box, and you also need to tell how. So here I can see most of the student did division of this number with 3 and 7 with 9. So in this video we are going to learn few amazing tricks to divide a bigger number quickly without actually doing the longer division. So before moving to the topics, first let us understand what is the meaning of divisibility, what actually divisibility means. So here if you will take one example, suppose I am writing here 24 divided by 6. So here if you will write 24 and 6, if you will divide 6 for the 24, so here we are getting remainder 0. So a number when divides with some other number, if the remainder is 0, then we can say that number is divisible, like 24 is divisible by 6. So here the main thing is we want the remainder should always be 0, then only we can say it is divisible. Suppose if I am taking same 25 divided by 6, so here 6 and 25, so here 6 for the 24 minus, if you will do, we are getting 1. So here the remainder is not a 0, so here we can't say that 25 is divisible by 6. So in this way we can define divisibility. So now here the question comes, like if the smaller numbers are there we can divide easily and we can say, but always it is not possible to do the long division and answer, especially in the exams time. So here we have few tricks to do directly. So first one, let us learn the rule of 2. Suppose I am writing one example here. The question is 5, 6, 8, 2. So now here 5, 6, 8, 2, whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So we should not do a long division method. It will take a longer time because we don't have that much enough time in the exam. So here what we can do is, so here we have a trick, that is for any divisibility rule of 2, if a number, if a last digits ends with, if a last digits ends with even number, if the last digits ends with the even number, or we can say ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit of any number, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say that number is divisible by 8 2 easily. So here if you will observe, in 5, 6, 8, 2, the last digit is 2, right? So hence we can say this number is divisible by 2. That's it. So if you will do this one, it will take more time. See, just within 1 second only you can answer it very quickly. So now I am giving you one question. The question is 9, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Can you tell me this number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes or no? Please comment in your comment box. Now next, after this rule of 3. So in this video actually we will learn from 2 to 13 all the rules, especially 7 and 13. Most of the students fail those, so I will explain those two tricks in detail. Please stay till the end. So now rule of 3. Suppose if I am taking one example, the number is 7, 8, 2, 4. So here number is very big. If you will do long division, it will take most of the time, it will kill our time. So here we can go with the tricks, sum of all digit. Here we have to do sum of all digit. Sum of all digit should be divisible by 3. Suppose here what number we have? So just we need to sum means we have to add them. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4. The answer is 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. Hence we can say this bigger number is divisible by 3. Hope you got it. Now can you solve this one? Please pause the video and solve it. Please pause the video and comment your answer whether it is divisible or not, yes or no. Okay, after this amazing tricks, let us move to the next one, that is rule of 4. Right? So rule of 4. What is the rule of 4? How to check the divisibility of any number with 4? So suppose if I will take one example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so here we have to check last 2 digit. Last 2 digit only, no need to divide all digits. Just if you will divide last 2 digit with 4, that is sufficient. So here we have last 2 digit is 48, right? So here 4 ones 4, next 4 twos 8. So here we can see the remainder we are getting 0. So last 2 digits are divisible by 4. It means this number is also divisible by 4. We can say easily. So again, please pause the video and solve this question. The question is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. Can you tell me whether it is divisible or not? Okay, now let us move to the rule of 5. So rule of 5, if I will take one example here. Suppose a number is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 0. So now the number is very big. If you will do the long division method, it will take most of the time. So here just one short trick we have to remember, that rule of 5 means the last digit of the number. If the last digit of a number is 0 or 5, either if it is 0 or 5, then directly we can say the number is divisible. See here the last digit is 0, so directly we can say. See, if we know this within millisecond, we can say this is divisible. But if you don't know, then we have to do the complete long division method. It takes most of the time, right? So now can you tell me this one whether it is divisible or not? Please comment your answer. Now next, after rule of 5, rule of 6, we will say this is a combination tricks or combination rules. We will say. Why we will say combination rules here? Because here we have 6. The factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So here suppose I am taking one example first here. Suppose an example is 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 is one example. Suppose. Okay. So 2 and 3 means first we have to check with the 2. Last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now next 3. 3 means what? Sum of all digits. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. It is divisible by 3. Means here the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. Number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. Then only we can say the number is divisible by 6. That's why we will say it is a combination tricks, because we are using 2 different tricks to divide the 6. Now here comes the most interesting and exciting trick of the day. So here most of the students don't know this, so please listen carefully. So if I am taking one number here 203, whether it is divisible or not. Okay, so here whether we have to do the long division, but we don't want because it kills time. So now rule of 7, how to do quickly. So it is very easy, just follow it. So first what you have to do, last digit, whatever the last digit is there, last digit multiply with 2. What you have to do, last digit multiply with 2. Okay, I am multiplying the, what is the last digit here? 3. Multiply with 2, we are getting 6. Okay, now here 2 0 3. Okay, last digit we multiply. Next, after that, result here, whatever the result we are getting, subtract from the remaining digit. Result, subtract from the remaining digit. So first we did last digit, means here 3 multiply with 2, 6. So now with 3 we did, now remaining numbers are 20, so 6 we have to subtract. So how much will we get here? This will become 10, this will become 1. 10 minus 6, 4 and 14. So here the number 14, we can say 14 is divisible by 7. Then this whole number is divisible by 7. One more example, because this is a bit tricky. So if you will take one more example, 3 4 3 5 6 7 example. So what I said here, clearly I mentioned last digit multiply with 2. So here last digit multiplied with 2. Okay, so now 6 2 is 12, subtract from the remaining. So here we will get 3 1 4 3. But if you will observe, here the number is again very big. So what you have to do? The same thing we have to repeat the process until we will not get. So repeat. 3 2 is 6. So what you will get here? 11 minus 6 5 3 3. Again it is very big. So what you have to do? Again last digit multiply with 2. So what you will get here? 5 to the 10. So how much you are getting? 23. Now 23 we can easily say it is not divisible by 7. Then here we can say this number is not divisible by 7. So in this way we can find whether a number is divisible with 7 or not. Hope you got it, the 7 trick. And now please pause the video and try to solve this trick. Especially the question is, please everyone try to solve this one. If you have still doubt, please comment in the comment box. I will resolve your doubt. Okay, now after this, rule of 8. What is the rule of 8? Suppose I am taking a question 4 5 6 7 2. Nothing here, we have to check the last 3 digit. That's it. Last 3 digit divisible by 8. Okay, so here the last 3 digit are 6 7 2. 8 6 7 2. So here 8 8 is 64. Next 8 4 is 32. So here we are getting remainder 0. Then 678 is divisible by 8, means this number is also divisible by 8. Now next, let us move to the amazing trick, that is rule of 9. How to identify whether a number is divisible by 9 or not. So suppose if I am writing 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is a number, we have to check whether it is divisible. So if you will do long division method, it takes time. So let us use the trick. So here already we know the rule of 3 is sum of all digit. So same here 9 also, sum of all digit divisible by 9. So here 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 7 24, plus 6 30, 35, 39, 42, 44, 45. So here we are getting 45, which is divisible by 9. Then we can say this complete number is divisible by 9. So the same question I gave you in the starting. Hope you understood how to solve it. Now one more question I am going to give you. Please solve this one. 7 8 6 5 4 3 2 1 is divisible by 9 or not. Please solve it and write your answer in the comment box. Okay, now let us move to the rule of 11. So please be careful here. Most of the students will get confused here. So please be careful. Suppose here I am taking one question 3 5 6 7 9, whether it is divisible by 11 or not, how to check. So here the trick is sum of odd, not odd numbers, please be careful, sum of odd places. Here what is that? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. This is not a number, please be careful. Here I wrote sum of odd places minus sum of even places. If you will observe here, if I will give numberings to this number, for your explanation I am writing like this, no need to write. So here 1 2 3 4 5, right? So here what are the odd numbers we have here? 1 3 5. What are the even numbers we have? 2 and 4. So now sum of the odd places. Odd places means 1. What is the odd place? Next 3. What is the odd place? 6. Next 5. What is the odd place? 9. Minus. Now here even places. Even place means, what is the even place? 5. What is the even place? 7. So how much will you get here? 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 9 18 minus 2. So how much we are getting? 6. So 6 is not divisible by 11. So here we should get either 0 or multiples of 11. Then only we can say it is divisible by 11. So in this way you can easily find whether a number is divisible or not. So here I am going with one question. We solve this. The question is 2 7 3 5 6 5. You need to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Now after this, the most interesting rule, that is 30. So most of the students don't know this, so please be careful here. Suppose if I am giving one question, 5 273. Let us take one small example first. 273, whether it is divisible by 13 or not, we can do by long division, but it takes more time. So what you have to do here, multiply last digit, multiply last digit with 4. Okay, so what is the last digit here? We have 3. So 3 4s are 20. Okay, so now okay, 273, in that last digit multiplied we got 12. Now next result, like we did 7, right? Almost similar, little bit change. Result, there we did subtraction, add with the remaining digit, add with the remaining digits, right? So here add it, how much will you get? 9 3. So here 39 is divisible by 13 or not? Yes, 39 is 13 3s are 39, right? So we can say this number is divisible by 13. Let us take one more example. Example 2, 5 1 6 1. So here what I said the last digit multiply with 4. No need to write, directly we can do normal. Last digit multiply with 4 and add it. 6 plus 4 10 2 5. Next again what I said, last digit multiply with 4, multiply 4, so 0 into 4 0 and add it. So what will get here? 52. Now can you tell me 52 is divisible by 13 or not? 13 4s are 52. Yes, it is divisible. Then we can say this number is also divisible by 13. Hope you understood the trick. So here you need to remember specially 7 and 7 11 9 and 13 tricks. So today you learned that the numbers have the hidden patterns, right? So you don't always need to divide any number by using long division. So if you will just practice these tricks, you can solve any number in just seconds. So till now we learned fast addition trick, fast subtraction trick, multiplication trick, division trick, and divisibility rules. If you didn't watch, please go and watch those videos. So in the next videos we will come with the most exciting more tricks along with the foundation. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.